I don't know what you've been told, but time is running out.
Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a tornado warning for central Itasca County, northern Cass County, until 12:45 p.m. At 12:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of Leech Lake, or 11 miles north of Walker, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and ping-pong ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Leech Lake around 12:10 p.m. Benna, Federal Dam, and Lake Winnipesaukee around 12:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Ball Club. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.